that you're looking for is already within you, okay? So think of yourself as the creator and you're having a human experience. So the creator, God, source, infinite intelligence, whatever you feel comfortable with, whatever you feel the most comfortable with, whatever resonates with you the most, this is you. It's inside of you. You can't see it, but it's there. Your imagination. I can't see it, you can't see it, but we know it's there. We know it's there. So you came here, and in the human flesh, you can't comprehend the carnal mind. Your consciousness cannot comprehend the fourth dimension, your energy source, God. We just know that we're taught to have faith and believe. But we're also told that this power is within us. The kingdom of heaven is within you. It's not on the outside. And you can discover this through experience. Personal experience will take you there. So whenever you're going through something in life, just remember that all the gifts are inside of you. They're not on the outside, it's within you. So you came here to have this human experience, and you did it with the intentions of forgetting who you were. So once you forget who you were, you have to go back to your original state, going through cycles, life cycles here on earth, or whatever that may be, whatever earth plane. And sometimes if you notice, you have deja vu, like you've been here in this place, in this moment in time, because you have. Sometimes we come here to repeat this journey so we can learn that lesson and to become the best human possible, okay? So everything is within you and you just completely forgot. But there's people like me that are chosen by grace to teach you these things. It doesn't make me any better, it doesn't make me any worse. This is just my purpose. So I'm telling you today, right now, if you can hear my voice, that the power is within you. And you can test this power. We're told in the Bible that you're called to test His power and see, but you must have faith. And through this faith, you're going to actually develop the understanding of what Jesus Christ was and what God actually means in the Bible. So for now, commune with yourself, enjoy life, and remember who you are, because life is so good. Have a good day.
Yeah.